Hello, guys. Okay, good evening. This is our midweek charting updates. So we will discuss the movers and lahat ng mga gumalaw, umakyat, nag-earnings for the first 3 days of the week. Okay? So as you can see, no Monday, medyo volatile yung market. Monday, Tuesday, nag-down ng malaki, tapos nag-rebound today. But as you can see, the US market is currently down 1%. So there's a possibility na down ulit bukas yung market natin. It depends, okay? So let's get on to it. Kung ano yung mga gumalaw today or this past 3 days, okay? Pero let's just talk about this first, okay? Ito yung index natin, nag-break ng 7,900. Okay, so immediate resistance will be 8,066. If ever this will rally, ito yung target natin, 8,066. But baka mag-down bukas ng konti or 7-8 ulit before it goes there. Okay? So, movers natin today are mostly banks. Okay? First up is the BPI. Ito yung strongest banks ito yung pinaka-strongest na move from last 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So, itong move na to from 78 to 93. Yan, nagpahinga. Then today, bilang sobrang up. Okay, ito yung mover today. So, nag-94 siya. Na-surpass yung 93 yung previous resistance. So, next is BDO also, another bank na umangat. Okay? Alam mo. So, nag-50-day siya. Itong 50-day support, tapos bilang umangat 149.8. So, nandiyan pa rin siya sa near the highs. Okay? So, kahit na bumaba yung index natin ng malaki, yung BDO, nandiyan near the all-time high pa rin. Okay? And then, yung Security Bank nag-announce ng earnings. Okay? After nag-announce ng earnings from 176 papuntang 182, sobrang bilis. Okay? Yan, up again. Up siya ng 5%. Okay? Today. And another notable mover is PNB, but itong PNB nasa ibaba. Okay? So, hindi ko masyado pinapansin to because it's not my kind of trade or stocks na gusto kong na set up na gusto ko. So, nandiyan lang yan. Wala yan. Okay? What else? MRC also mover today. But there's also no news or no catalyst batch to be believed. One of the strongest stock for the week and since last week pa is PXP. So nakita natin to, tuloy-tuloy kahit nag-down na nung Monday, Tuesday, siya up pa rin. Today lang nag-down because of course, galing siyang 850. Okay, if we measure it. Okay. In 12 days up siya ng 40%. Okay? So 40% up. Sobra na to. So it's natural lang na mag-correct. So now if this corrects, we want to try to get in or buy PXP. So we wait for a proper entry para makapasok dito. So we want to put this in our watch list. Okay? So yan. Hindi pa ka bibili, lalagay ko lang sa watch list ko. Okay? And GSMI also reported earnings, strong earnings for the second half. So the chart is very, very nice. Tignan mo, nag-breakout ng 63.8. Tapos yan, naging support yan, holding above 63.84. So tomorrow, you can buy it at 68 and then put your stop at 64 for the trade tomorrow. But sana, hindi naman siya index stock. So the earnings can be a catalyst, no? So up siya ng 3% today. So tomorrow this might move. So just in case, this will be my top priority for tomorrow. Going in tomorrow to tomorrow. Okay. FINMA is also okay. Okay, but it's inside the range, meaning nandito siya sa range ng 220 to 285. So you can trade the range. Buy on support, sell resistance, buy support, sell resistance. Easy to say but hard to do. So now it's at 266. Okay, pwedeng bumaba dito ulit yan. Pwede rin umakyat. So medyo halfway na. If you want, you can just medyo alanganin siya i-enter now because your resistance is at 285. Yung support mo malayo na. Okay? If you would, dapat okay siya mag-enter dito sa area na to, 240 plus na area. Okay? PPG also, notable mover, but down siya today. Okay? So, itong range na to, hinighlight ko siya, the big range, 34% na range, meaning mga 550 to 7 yung galaw niya, 5, ito yung current range na dito na box. So, that bigger range, you can take advantage of it by range trading, buy on support, buy near the 10 and 20-day MA, and then sell every time nagsa-surge. Okay, so you can do that. So you can take, may ano siya, malaki yung meat niya because malaki yung range. Okay, so you can take advantage of that range. Isa pang nag-report na earnings today, Gaisano Retail turnaround earnings. So it's up big, but the chart is in the downtrend. So I don't trade this kind of chart. So for me, wala lang siya. So if ever this moves up to $3, tapos magkaroon ng momentum, that's when I will start to watch it. Okay? But as of now, wala. Mover ulit, isa pa, EEI, bad earnings. So today, down ng 7%. Okay, so 2 days ago, nag-break siya ng 50 days. So if ever binili ko sa 11 to, I should have sold it at 1080 or 1060 at most. If you didn't follow your cut, meaning may isa pang down day na disgrasya kayo, that's additional 9% pag di nyo finalo yung cut. So, dapat talaga fina-follow yung cut, lalo na pag nag-break ng 50 day. The 50 day is very, very crucial. Okay? So, ito, yan, lesson learned. Pag di mo kinat, break, after ng break ng 50 day, 9% down. So, there might be a bounce opportunity here in play. We'll see tomorrow kasi laki ng down. 3 big red candles. So, baka bukas may 4th red candle. So, baka may bounce play dyan. So, mga magaling mag-bounce play, you can take advantage of it. Okay? GFC, okay? Nag-earning siya nung Monday. Okay, nag-bounce to last week. Nahuli ko yung bounce. So, sold it at 260. But then, nag-report na earnings. So, ngayon, down na siya. Lower than the previous low. 231 lang yung low dati. Ngayon, 229 na. So, this is not good. And then you can see this momentum is at 40. And then this is down. And then bato. So there's a big, huge momentum on the downside. So I will not be surprised to see Jollibee near 200 in the coming days. Easy and 200 na yan, okay? So I will just stay away from this at first para to be on the safe side because the market kasi volatile din, okay? Okay, so ano bang nag-hold sa 50-day? One stock is Abacor holding here at the 50-day. Support niya 85. So that's safe to say 85 yung support. So that's 4 cents away from here. Or bumili ka sa 90, cut mo 85. Pero yung reward mo is limited dito sa 10-day dito eh. But it can be a big range. If you look at this box, ayan, pwede ganyan. See? Okay, so it's nasa bottom end of the range. So you can also trade the range again kasi malaki. Okay? Ano pa ba? PepsiCo. This stock is still on uptrend above the 20-day and 10 and 20-day. So nandiyan pa. Medyo malakas pa siya. Okay? So it's still intact. So So imagine mo, our index is correcting, but there's a lot of outlier mga stocks na malakas pa. So it is why siguro mag-stick tayo doon or put our focus there uh, dun sa mga alpha stocks, di ba? Or take advantage of the bounce plays if you are good at playing the bounce plays. Kung alam mo paano mag-bounce, hindi pwede yun bibili ka lang basta-basta. Ay, kasi down na ng 10%. Eh, bukas down ulit ng 5%. So, walang use. So, you have to have a system how to play the bounce. So, I might release a video on how to play the bounce soon. So, that's something to look forward to. Okay. So, I guess that's it. So medyo volatile yung market natin. Good luck for the next 2 trading days. But if you are not a full-time trader or medyo beginner ka pa, I think it's best to stay away and just watch the market first because medyo mabilis yung mga moves. So mamaya, di mo alam, down na ng malaki bigla or mamaya, sobrang up na yung isa, tapos di mo nabenta, tapos down na ulit next day because may work ka. Okay, so it's very, very volatile and not advisable for beginners. Okay, so better to just sit back and watch the market first or trade one at a time, meaning isa-isang position lang. So, hindi ka masyadong maguguluhan. Okay, pick your battles lang wisely. So, may mga alpha stocks, may mga bumaba ng mabilis, yung mga bounce plays, yung bad earnings. So, there's a lot of opportunity also for the traders like us. Okay, so good luck for the next 2 trading days. For my premium members, I'll talk about our picks on Sunday. Isa-isa natin ulit lahat. So we will be ready coming into the week. So good luck everyone. Bye.